Hello guys again. And now we're gonna try to learn quite famous movement from lezginka style. Mostly it is used by men, but it doesn't mean that if you are a woman you can't use it. There are some situations where you can't use it, but if you want, try it, why not? Okay, the basic thing that you need to understand that we keep our legs in plié position, so they are not straight. This, and don't jump, just hop a little bit, but not jump. Okay, the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try. I start moving from and. I will turn it into right. And 1. So then I do 2, I fix my legs. Then I do 3, 4. Okay, if I do it very slowly, it looks like this. And 1, 2. See what's going on? But you need to do it at the same time, both of your legs. And it's not jumping. Be careful. Just fix your muscles of your legs, of your back, and try to make it in 1. So this is 3, then we go back. 4. If I do it slowly, it's up, yeah? But we need to do it only in 1. So we start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful with your leg because it's not straight. Now I need to change my position. I make a small round with my right leg, and I fix the left one. And I can start from here working with my left. So it was 4, now 1, 2, 3, 4, and again small round. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's quite may look quite scary for you because we always fix it. Yeah, it's a little bit scary, but this style is very strong, and the energy should be fixed. I mean, I can do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? Yeah, I'm doing the right thing, but the energy is not fixed. So you need to make special efforts every time. One effort, just tension everywhere. Do 1, 2, 3, 4 every time. And keep your back, because maybe first days when you will try it, it might look like this. Yeah? So here it should be fixed. Okay, now we will try it with music. This is easy music, a little bit modern, but it's good to practice. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.